You know, I hear Minister Chan. And there's a title of one. They give you see some people behalf, some people behind the name. I want MBE behind the name. No, MBA would be Master of Business Administration. But MBE means Management by Excuses. So last week now we heard the latest excuse as to why he has been an abject failure as Minister of National Security. The excuse he came up with now is that after 7 years, after this government being in office for 7 years, the reason why they have been an abject failure is because when I was minister, I didn't fund the police. So since I'm in St. James, since I'm in his parish, let us examine that. But first of all, this year, at the rate we're going, we have over 1,500 murders by the end of the year. 1,500 murders by the end of the year at the rate we're going. Over 1,500. What was the average during my time when I was supposedly defunding the police? 1,100 and something. Fewer than 400 murders each year. Yeah. That is in his time. So in 4 years, that would be about 1,600 lives saved when we didn't have any more to hold the police. Now they have 40 more. In 1 year, his capital budget is more than my 4 years. In any 1 year, he has more money in the capital budget than I had in the entire